how many listings are you at right now?
Well, I'm at 8.2K, but 800 of those I have like 800 listings that are out of stock, but
So you,
it's been really consistent though, like usually every day is over 200 or like high.
Like I said, so it's like that's why every 15 to 30 days I'll just sit there and prune back down.
Welcome to Noyon Dropshipping. The future of online business starts here.
I mean, I'm at like 1.5K in the last 7 days. So it's been really consistent though, like usually every day is over 200 or like high 100s, right about 200, but usually 200. And it just seemed a little slower this week, but he was telling me I should focus on a niche. But yeah, so I was thinking about that, but right now I'm just really bulk listing. Maybe I'll focus on a niche on my second account, but um so my question was, so I just did the CSV thing and I'm getting rid of all the items out of stock and like updating the prices for everything, but um do you recommend anything else to really, I mean, my account's fine, but just to continue, what do you, I mean, right now, all I know is just to keep bulk listing unless you have anything else.
yeah, how many listings are you at right now?
Well, I'm at 8.2K, but 800 of those, I have like 800 listings that are out of stock, but
So you
I'm, yeah,
definitely delete the ones that are out of stock.
yeah,
Keep
I
listing
had a
every day.
sale event going, so I have to wait till it ends. I just ended it though.
Okay, yeah. It's just one thing that definitely slows down sales is when you guys run your tracker and you don't delete your out of stock items, right?
Mhm.
Oh,
Like you
wait,
need to,
what did you say?
like
Sorry.
when you have your tracker run, once it's finished, you want to delete those items pretty quickly. If you don't, it's going to screw up your metrics with eBay. That's something I
Yeah.
Wait,
e- e-
so
even if you have like 10 or 20 items out of stock for a couple days or weeks, like that can really hurt your metrics. It's
oh,
best just to
so everything you don't want to have any, sorry, I don't mean to cut you off, but you don't want to have any unsold or not unsold.
You don't want to
Uh,
have a lot.
yeah. So you have 800, I would delete them. I don't think
Yeah.
the sale of it doesn't matter.
no, no,
You
no,
just
but I'm sorry, they're in stock on eBay, they're out of stock on Amazon. Sorry.
Yeah, but so
delete
having
them.
dead items that aren't selling, so nobody's clicking on them, they're not technically visible, it's lowering your metrics on eBay's end. You know what I mean?
But how
Um,
does eBay doesn't know that it's out of stock?
it's a eBay's a supercomputer. It literally has a name, it has a patented algorithm, it has all this stuff, and it's like um it's like just like how, if you have an item that nobody clicks on and within, 30 days or 15 days or whatever, that's lowering your metrics because nobody's clicking on it. eBay sees that as a dead item. You know what I mean? If a lot of people are clicking on it and viewing it, adding it to carts, whatever, they consider that a hot item. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
10 recently viewed in the last 24 hours, whatever the case is.
Yeah.
Same concept, so it's like having too many that aren't doing any numbers, or like I said, so it's like that's why every 15 to 30 days I'll just sit there and prune back down a little bit of just
Yeah. Wait.
items of under, I think I told you, like under 25, you know
Yeah. Yeah. So
even two views, 5 views, 10 views, 15, 20, 25.
uh,
Eventually, like you could get rid of a lot of items, and then
yeah.
only replace them with just hot selling stuff.